Shiba Inu pricing forecasts have been released, and they are absurd. I am aware that your feelings towards your Shiba Inu possessions are likely complex, but before you take any action regarding your SHIB, you might want to wait a little while and pay attention to what the experts have to say. Additionally, we'll look at some crucial technical clues and other significant recent developments involving Shiba Inus. You won't want to miss this video, I assure you. Expert prognoses are quite important, and the Shiba Inu team's breaking news is also something you must hear, so be sure to watch this video all the way through. Price is undoubtedly the big item on almost everyone's mind who has a SHIB, and that makes sense. Here are some intriguing developments to get you warmed up though, before we talk about SHIB's pricing and everything else. SHIB Army boosts Shiba Inu's transaction volume with robust social engagement. The SHIB Army has long been renowned for its intense and outspoken engagement, both online and offline. It therefore comes as no surprise that this group constantly ranks among the industry's most active crypto communities. According to a recent research, Shiba Inu has earned a spot among the top 10 assets with the most engaged communities based on social engagements as a result of its strong and active social media presence. Recently, the top social intelligence platform Lunar Crush published a list of the top 10 assets with the largest community involvement. Shiba Inu was ranked number 7 on the list with 123 million social interactions in just one day. What makes this significant now? Well, as you may already be aware, a cryptocurrency's project's eventual success is greatly influenced by its social media presence. This is so because vibrant communities are desirable, and vibrant communities can grow the community and increase the value of the token. And guess what? This is already effective. According to an article from thecryptobasic.com, investor interest in Shiba Inu has already begun to rise. In the previous week, just Shiba Inu trade volume was through the roof. SHIB pulled off an incredible $202 million in trade volume in just 24 hours. Now, how does this relate to the professional forecasts made regarding the cost of Shiba Inus? So be sure to watch this video all the way through because we're going to get to it. But before we do, let's take a moment to consider another intriguing fact as we move closer to the forecast. Even though the primary launch of Shiba hasn't yet occurred, the testnet is already experiencing high usage. Shiba Inu to burn 500 billion SHIB tokens. For Shiba Inus, this is quite encouraging. Over 13 million wallet addresses are currently interacting with Shibarium, according to PuppyScan. Not only that, but developers are already creating new projects on Shibarium, such as the Mezdex project. But you should still exercise caution. A project is not always safe to invest in just because it is listed on Shibarium, so be sure to conduct your own research. However, aside from that, Shibarium's success is fantastic news, especially when you consider burn. Shibarium may aid in the annual burning of 500 billion Shiba Inu according to estimates. If this occurs, Shiba Inu may reach the $1 threshold much sooner than we anticipate. What that entails for gains is already known to us. Okay, let's get right to the financial discussion. Technical indicators point to an imminent Shiba Inu price breakout. How is the current pricing of the Shiba Inu doing? We'll start at the top by examining what the charts indicate. Then, we'll move on to the professional forecasts. Shiba Inu's pricing has been consolidated for a considerable amount of time. Shiba Inu, however, has begun to resurrect, with a daily rise of 7% coming after its 7-day low. Shiba Inu has been able to emerge from its most recent consolidation phase as evidenced by its technical perspective. And given that Shiba Inu's relative strength index is currently at 57, there is reason to think that its price will continue to rise. How high will it rise though? So make sure to keep an eye on things. I'm going to tell you. CoinEdition asserts Shiba Inu is currently trading above the Kumo cloud, which is a bullish indicator according to the Ichimoku chart, indicating that the token is gaining traction. The Tenkan Sen line is currently trading above the Kijun Sen line. Okay, the price prediction is now ready to go. Shiba Inu's price is on the verge of leaving its consolidated zone, as we already reported. According to experts, this is the perfect time for prospective buyers to enter the market. Shiba Inu might surge by a staggering 20% if it is able to maintain its position above the breached resistance. But if you want to make a successful investment, there are other factors you should take into account in addition to short-term growth. Yes, Shiba Inu may experience some lucrative gains over the coming days or weeks. Can it, however, sustain this momentum over time? It turns out that the answer to question is a resounding yes, and there are convincing signs to back this up. The first, less obvious explanation for this is the inexpensive price of Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu will continue to be a desirable alternative for potential investors looking for low-risk investment opportunities because it is now so reasonably priced. As a result, there will be more holders, which will increase transaction volume and drive up prices. Shiba Inu's expanding legion of fans is the second factor, which is slightly connected to the first. More people are interested in Shiba Inus as they become more widely accepted in society. Unavoidably, this might result in greater demand, which might raise the cost. Now, let's move on to the third factor that could cause a long-term price explosion for Shiba Inus: partnerships and collaborations. Shiba Inu will gain greater credibility in the eyes of potential investors as more businesses join up with them, which could increase demand and consequently pricing. Shiba Inus have such outstanding odds that experts believe their price might increase by up to 10 times in just 1 year. That's incredible. Speaking of alliances, Shiba Inu is now working on a ton of partnerships that will soon cause a price explosion for the breed. The collaboration between Binance and CoinGate is one of those alliances. More than 200 businesses will accept SHIB payments. Shiba Inu should be able to be used by Binance Pay customers to make payments across CoinGate-powered shops, according to a recent release. This collaboration is a part of Binance's initiatives to promote the widespread acceptance of cryptocurrency payments. Additionally, several businesses have joined forces with the biggest exchange in the world to accept SHIB payments ever since Shiba Inu was added to Binance Pay's list of supported crypto assets in November 2022. The Shiba Inu's journey towards widespread adoption is poised to take off thanks to this new alliance. For many years, CoinGate has collaborated with leading retailers, including small and medium-sized businesses. The business has also been successful in selling its payment solution to more than 200 merchants at this time, including Wix retailers, Andromeda, the B12 Vitamin Store, etc. This is certainly fantastic news for Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu will be widely adopted if 200 more businesses join the current sizable network of businesses that accept it as payment, which would ultimately lead to more demand. We also know that higher prices result from more demand, which increases profits. For the SHIB army, this is fantastic news. What do you think about the price projections made by experts for Shiba Inus?